Let me show you how to make this fondant tires. They're so quick to make. You literally need less than 5 minutes to make them. You need some circle cutters and then get your fondant. If your fondant is too soft, feel free to add some xylose or CMC powder to it. When you want to cut your tires, make sure they're like about 1 inch thickness. And then what you want to do is get your preferred size of circle cutter and then just cut that through. You need a cling film to give you that domeness. Use a cling film, just put it over your fondant. And then get like a cocktail stick, start to make your marks slanted like that. Flip it over and then slant it again, just to give like a V type effect. Take a sharp object, it could be a knife, it could be this, and then just gently you know, go round the circle. You want to do that again because I realized that when you do double the lines, it gives like a real tire effect. And so far, so good. This is what we're working with. Then you want to take a smaller circle cutter. The thicker part of the circle cutter, you use it to like create a dent. Let's call it a dent, and you just put that in slightly and just rub it, like, just gently massage it. Flip it over to the thinner side of the cutter, and then just doing like a double circle thing. Again, I realized that it gives a realistic effect. So this is me doing the second side of it, and yeah, grab any tool that looks similar to this. This is a brush. I just flip it over and I'm using it to create like 5 dents just to emulate the effect of the wheels that we see in tires and just, create those dents nicely so that it's visible um, in the fondant. And then you take a cocktail stick again and you just create a dent in the middle, almost like, the joining of the whole wheel, sort of kind of thing. And that's it. You're done. I'm going to grab some edible spirits and just use it to clean off all of the corn flour on the fondant, and it's done. The first time I made these tires, it took me about 50 minutes to make one, and I just thought I'm not going to spend that time making one fondant tires. And this is me, literally in less than 5 minutes. You can make one, and then even faster if you're like a pro. For a beginner, maybe to take you about maybe 7 minutes. And then here I'm using a little bit of sunflower oil to just clean it and give it that shine. This foam is used only for my cake stuff, so make sure you have someone just for that. So there you have it. Easy peasy fondant tires. I will be showing more tutorials like this, so please subscribe.